In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the quantity selector for products in your Wix store. If you're managing an online store and want to offer customers the ability to purchase multiple quantities of a product easily, adding this feature is essential. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to set this up. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Store Products section, which should be conveniently located on your menu. This is your central hub for managing all things related to the products you offer, from adding new products to adjusting the details of existing ones. Click on it, and it will open up a view where you can see all the products that are currently listed in your store. Now that you have your list of products, you'll need to decide which product you want to modify to include the quantity selector. Click on the product you have in mind to open its settings. This will take you to the product's specific page where you can edit various attributes like the product name, description, and images. In today's task, our main focus will be on the settings related to purchasing options. Once you are on the product page, look for the settings option labeled Product Settings. It might be located alongside other options like pricing or shipping, depending on your layout. Clicking on Product Settings will take you to a new menu with different configuration options relevant to how the product is sold and perceived in your store. Here, your attention should be drawn to the option that allows you to enable the quantity selector. By default, this option might be turned off, especially if your store hasn't explored this feature before. Look for the toggle or checkbox that says Enable Quantity Selector and go ahead and switch it on. This small but crucial adjustment makes it possible for your customers to specify the number of units they'd like to purchase, streamlining their shopping experience. After making this adjustment, it's always a good practice to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the Settings menu. Click on it to ensure all the changes you've made are applied and stored. This step confirms that the quantity selector is now active for your selected product. While these steps might seem straightforward, don't underestimate their impact. Activating the quantity selector provides your customers with added flexibility and encourages more significant purchases, potentially increasing your store's revenue. And there you have it, enabling the quantity selector within your Wix store. By making this minor enhancement, you turn your store into a more user-friendly and efficient platform for your customers. Stay tuned for more insightful